Hey, welcome guys. Today we'll be looking at the if and if or functions. Okay, this is the Excel service with advanced manual. So the if function check whether a condition is met and return one value if true and another if false. And check whether all arguments are true and return true if all arguments are true. Or check whether all arguments are true and returns true or false. False return false only if all arguments are false. If and that is if and check value from and to you and change it to your desired value. If or change value from all to your desired value. If error returns value if error. If expression is an error and the value of the expression itself otherwise. Okay, this will be working. Let's go straight to the point. So this is the table we'll be working with. We have the serial number, the store, one visitor, that is people that have visited the store, purchase, what they bought, their daily expenses, what if they bought another item, yes or no. Okay, now let's check the customer loyalty, how loyal the customers are. So we can say, okay, equals to, from using the if then function. If, okay, we'll be using this particular field as a basis rather. If brackets, this field is equals to yes. Don't forget to select it F4, then comma, the assure customers. Don't still forget to select, comma, okay. We click out first, okay. If the same cell, okay, are you following? Same cell is equals to no. Select this one too. Therefore, select, and then your comma, then what is it? Visited. Select again. Therefore, you know what you are selecting. Okay, equals to. Now we know this one is a loyal customer, not loyal. Okay, false. There is a no. Okay, you know why there is a false, but we don't add anybody. Let's say yes. For example, let's say no. Okay, let me remove it. There's a reason why I will. There's a reason why, so that we can understand the if ever function. Okay. Now the and value, what does it do? And check whether all arguments are true and return true if all arguments are true. Okay. Now we want to know which cell has other book and 500. Okay. Other. Okay, let's say count. Sorry. And brackets. Logical one. This side is equals to other, comma, this side, say I'm doing it, is equals to book, this side is equals to 500. Okay, let's lock this place to avoid problem. Okay, yeah, it's true. False. Yeah, it's true. False. Okay, see. So we have only two true. So let me add more so that, okay, let me change it to that. You see true. Okay, okay. Now, if and can change this value from true. Now, and can only return true or false. But you use if and and to change the true to your own desired value and the false to your own desired value. Now for this one, I can change this value from true to yes and from false to no. Okay, let's see. Equals to if brackets, and you see, so we are still repeating the same step we took here. If this part, okay, is equals to other, this part is equals to book, this part is equals to 500, okay, comma, return true, oh sorry, yes, rather, else return false, and no, sorry, then okay, done. Okay, we forgot, you close the and formula first, you close, okay, then you put your comma, and then let's see how it works. Okay, and quotation mark, okay, is yes, every true turns to yes, every false turns to no. Okay, we did not reference the cells. Reference, sorry, cell lock. I don't know, I love calling it reference. Perfect, you see. Okay, we can do the all function. All functions do what? Check whether all arguments are true and return true or false. Return false only if all arguments are false. Okay, that is, if for example you are checking for Ada, book and 500. If Ada appears, it becomes true. If book appears, it becomes true. If 500 appears, it becomes true. If all of them did not appear, none of them appear, sorry, it becomes false. Okay, let's see. All function. All these things are part of the Boolean function. Those that are conversant with logic circuits in physics or computer science. If equals to under, comma, okay, let me self reference. You have to self reference. Okay, next one, if same, I forgot to this unit 21. It's equals to bottom. Okay, self reference. If you is equals to this one. Self reference as usual. F4. F4 cell lock. So let's close it and see what you get. Okay, true. Okay. Some of them have it. Okay. Now we are done with that. So now let's do for the if or let's convert it to yes or no. Okay. If as usual, brackets or brackets. Okay. Or function. If this equals to this, let's say reference, comma, if this side is equals to this, so reference, You see how careful I am. If the side is equals to this cell lock, you see, you close it first, then you choose value for your if. I choose yes. I cover my quotes. I'm using quotes because they are not numbers. If it is number, I don't need quote. Then I choose the no. Okay, close. And then cover your full parentheses. Let's see how it goes. Yes, yes, no. See, very easy to do. It's not difficult to do. Now, the if error. This is the special part I want you to learn today. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, if error majorly works with a non-if function, with a non-if function that is like match and index, VLOOKUP, or any other formula. For example, instead we should show the name error or the value error, we use if error to change that particular error to your own name. That is the name you want to call that error. For example, let's say I use a VLOOKUP to perform this same particular formula I use the if then to perform. So let's say VLOOKUP, okay, brackets, okay, there's a lookup value. What is the lookup value? I'm looking up for yes, okay, comma, table array. Where is the table we are looking it for? This is the table array. Okay, let me cell lock it, F4 cell lock, then click out, comma, then what is next? The column index that we are looking for it. Column index, this is index 1, this is index 2, so we press 2, then comma. Is it true that is approximate match? I don't need approximate, I need exact match, so I press exact match. Then I cover my parentheses. So this is it. You see, if it is if a function, you will see that it's false. Definitely that is what the if function cause an error false. But this one is call it say name error. This is name error, name error. So what are we going to do? We use the if error to rename the error that we show. So we come before the VLOOKUP, we type if brackets, okay, then we come down here and choose the error type, which is we press comma. What should we name the error? Let's call it wrong entry. Wrong entry will fit the error, okay, and then we cover the parentheses. Let's okay. I actually press if instead of the if error. Okay, you see, you have to be careful to see what you are doing. If error, okay, it's perfect. Let's see. So we see show customer, where that entry was showing. Now it's showing wrong entry. You can change it to anything you want. I can change this now to yes and see that it will synchronize immediately. Yes, you see show customer. You see, very good and nice, very easy to use. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining for this video. In 14 minutes we could cover the functions, how to use the if, then the and, if or and the if ever. Thank you and keep watching my videos for more. Thank you.